Madam, bring the rice now. Ah, now when my mouth don't go.
Madam Aju, go for you can't talk when you
Hey, thank you.
Madam Aju, go come now.
Where's the rice?
See, everybody calm down. You people should have respect to that name. Don't you know someone's mother?
Come on, push up here. Come this way, my friend. You are eating the matank, man. You never see anything.
See this small boy.
Which small boy? You go. Now your little one. Now you tiny.
Hey, come back here.
This year picking not respect.
No mind. Your mama they cook food. You know get respect now because you know they're hungry.
How do you go? How do you go?
I'm coming.
I bet extra card. Madam, bring the rice now.
Madam Aju, go.
Now when my mouth don't go,
Extra.
That boy no get sense. I beg give me extra garri.
Madam Aju, go for can't talk when you
You said you don't eat that for rice.
Don't be angry.
Take the extra.
Madam, extra rice.
I'm coming. This year picking so. Extra rice. I'm coming.
Look at this boy. Chimo. Come on. Anoka. What are you doing here?
Yeah, I'm not the one that told me that I should come back home. I'm sleeping now.
I told you that. That was then. Now, get up and go to the shop.
Wait, though. I'm supposed to be the one asking you that one. How do you travel the whole way from the shop to here? What are you doing here?
Are you asking me that question?
No, I'm asking this man. I said look like danger sign.
My head, danger sign.
Look at the mirror now. Maybe I'm not seeing clearly.
Anoka. Inapola. Get up from there and go to the shop, sister. Sebapo.
What are you doing with this man now?
Sebapo.
What are you doing with this man?
Sebapo, sister.
What kind of boy is this? Do you have a dog in your house?
No, I don't know where it's coming from.
Okay. It's in the window. What is all this?
I don't understand you. I don't have a dog.
It's alright, it's alright. From the backyard. This is a spiritual dog. On my head.
On your head? Hey.
See, I am done. Enough is enough.
Hey, not being that.
I'm not doing it again. I'm leaving.
Obinna, wait. Obinna, Chelo, Obinna, wait. Chelo, no. Obinna, hey. Wait, Obinna, Chelo, no. Obinna, Chelo, no.
Please.
Wait,
I don't know what is happening in this your house.
Please, if I don't know what is happening, I'm wondering where is the sound
Please,
coming
I'm leaving.
from. We have not finished. Leaving to where? Going on. Chelo, Biko, let
Next
me
time.
find out what is going on. Obinna,
I'm
Biko,
going.
no.
See you next time.
Obinna, Chelo, no. Ina atoko ujo. Anoka.
Mommy, what were you doing with that man inside your house? That looks like a zombie.
I thought I told you to go to the shop. So you're still in this house?
Mommy, if you like, don't dress up, Go to your shop. Your customer will carry their money. Put here. Then your 2 eyes will open like window.
Anuka, where is that sound coming from?
Let me say I did it.
Anuka, you're the one that planted it. So you're the one that planted that sound.
Yes, do you have any problem with that one?
You planted that sound. Hey, Chimo, what have I done, God? Did you use this boy to give me punishment or what? Anuka, I will kill you today. Sit down.
This one they say I should sit down. Hope all is well.
Anuka, no do. Sit down. Anuka.
Yes, ma'am.
I am your mother. I carried you in this my stomach for 9 months, bringing you out to this world to survive up to this your age. Gwakenem, Biko, tell me, did I do anything wrong by bringing you into this world?
No, Mommy, you did not do anything wrong by bringing me into this world. I am so hungry right now.
What kind of curse is this? Come on, what's that offense? Where can metal?
Yeah, get one open man now. Get one yeah. So tini o ma ke nwa ko nyozo. E me nyo jo matagi. E me nyo jo lotagi. Why is the pot empty?
The pot is empty because food has finished.
I don't understand. What about me?
You. Who are you? Name of person, animal, place, or things. No, I don't understand. So I go to plan you. Join my plan. When you were leaving this house this morning, did you drop money?
Oh. Is that your point? Okay. Even if you say I no drop money before I come out, your brain, no tell you say, I go if I come back, say I go feel hungry. Your brain no tell you that one.
If you come back, where you go? No, answer me, where you go? Do you have a job? No, come back from where I don't understand. See, leave me, I cannot talk too much. As you can see, I'm living the life of my life. Or let me say, I am enjoying myself. Please, leave me alone. Familiar.
See, no. I go follow you this one that I'm seeing now. You see this one that I'm seeing now?
Come here. Come here. You're mad. Why don't we talk about that? You need your eyes, Jam. Your man will be touched up. My waist.
Why you feel money, woman?
You go pay me, make I give all this chicken. Pass my give you.
I just hear this.
You push me down. And hold me. If you come again, I will.
Hey, hold me, you push me down. Oh, you feel man.
If you stand up again,
I
go even beat you.
You should be happy that I want to help you. Eat this your.
I never channel.
It's okay.
You want to help you? Lazy man entertainment. Want to help you?
I know what to do. Apparently, so sega. This is your pepperish rice. I'm just trying to help your career.
Oh, your friend, man. I know what. Lazy man. I know what. So this one, husband. So if they say me husband, come on now. This is a can't yourself, Johnny. But
Yeah, this boy. Go and give me one shot of Kai. Let me just.
Wait, are you not the one that just drank 5 shots?
So?
See about like that now.
This boy, Bia, are you okay?
My stomach like that. Come, I will slap you. If guy is not taking, be very careful. Madam Ojugo, come and warn this your boy, yo. Come and warn him. I will slap him now.
Shut up! Don't you know that you're a small boy?
Me, small boy. You, respect yourself, oh young man. I wasn't talking to you.
This small boy does not have respect at all.
Do your children have respect? No, tell me.
Hey.
What?
Anuka, will you keep short? You are still a child.
Me, I'm still a child. Okay, why should I shut up?
I hope all of you are doing well.
Madam, I'm not fine. I'm not happy at all.
Madam.
What is your boy?
Teach this your son respect.
Imagine, I asked him to give me one shot of kai. Let me use it to clean my system. He's here saying rubbish. I will slap him if he's not taking.
Customer, people, calm down. You know, go. Don't worry.
It's because of you.
Anuka, what is wrong with you? Go and sit down, just stop. Sit down, just stop.
Mommy, serve him, oh. Serve him the one that if he's drinking, he'll be sleeping on the road.
Your friend, I will sleep on the road.
If I hear him, customer, don't worry. You know, go.
Thank you.
Don't worry. Oh, I will serve you. You know, go. I will serve you. Child, it's even mad. You know, go. Calm yourself. You know, go. I'm coming to serve you. Oh, I'm coming. Hey, I'm coming. God.
Thank you.
Hey, customer, my number one.
You know.
Hey. You said you wanted to use the toilet, Akoya?
Yes.
Let's go. Oh, let's go.
Let's go. Hey.
Oh, customers, please, I'm coming. Oh, what's in our angel say? I'm coming. Oh, I will serve you well. Oh, enjoy it. This is not the last time you gave me 2,000 naira. I am not collecting 2,000 naira from you this time, Pico.
This thing, I run things here. Forget that one. I will do you well. What is 2,000? What is 2,000?
Okay, welcome to then Amazon.
2,000. Look, this is 2,000. I will top it for you with that 2,000.
Hey!
Understand? I know your name.
Is you go? Hey!
Ojugo. Hey. Ojugo.
One more shot, okay?
Ojugo, yes sir.
One shot
to cool my stomach. Ojugo.
Good customer.
Yes sir. Ojugo.
Enjoy yourself, you know go.
Hey.
Anuka, take care of my customers, you know go. Customer, hope you're okay. Take care of them, one. I'm coming.
Maka.
Hey, why are you smelling like this? Hey.
Hi. See, don't need sweat. You know, I was coming from the farm. So, you know.
And you came with it to sleep with me like that?
It's just small. You got the sharp, you know. Just sharp and move.
Wow, this one cannot work home. You have to go outside. By the corner there, you see a drum with water. There's buckets near there. Please, shower first.
Just small.
Kune, I cannot. Now I want to enjoy this. You don't want to enjoy it again.
Yeah, I want to enjoy it tonight.
Go up here, there.
That's just a bit. Just a bit. Hey.
What's happening? Why you carry my drink now? Just look at you. Why are you packing my drink?
Drop the spoon, oh.
Give me my rice.
You are taking somebody's rice. You took my drink. Come here, bring. Okay, how'd you go? Where is woman? How'd you go? What is your boy? Oh? I will break his head. What? Which money? Come and collect, let me see. Come and collect, let me see. Come on, if you don't get out here, I'll fling you off the fence now. Yeah, no problem. Let's take a look. Huh?
Did I not tell you about my movement before? Or where do you think I will be going? Have we not talked about it?
You are living, traveling, leaving me like this, just like that. You know.
I don't understand. How am I supposed to live? Are you a baby? How am I supposed to live?
Good women make their husband happy before traveling, but your own.
And good men make their wife happy and not sneaking from one widow's house to the other. See, I know you are hungry. You can go to any of their houses and eat. You are not a child. So you don't have a problem.
Why do you keep accusing me of what I don't? Why do you keep...
Oh, shut up, John! You think I don't know? Don't worry. Very, very soon, monkey go market, he no go return.
Look, let me tell you, Ruke, why are you from money? If you keep treating me this way, I will go to your father and collect the bride price and pay on your head.
Hey,
what is all this?
Hey, jailbreak, dear, wait, even me, I will give you by myself. Yes, I will give you. If you want more, I'll give it to you. See, I'm leaving now and I'll be back tomorrow. That's
okay. You will go and come and meet me here.
So if you think I cannot go and walk in at any time, can you stop me? You're a madman.
Me?
Idiot.
Me, your husband, madman and idiot. Hello, Ka. Sorry. Me, your husband, hello, Ka. Madman plus idiot. I married this woman. I'm not mad from Yanaka. Did I borrow this? I paid everything complete. God, I thought I the soul seed of faith all the time. Now this woman will give me.
Hey. Hi. Hey. Hi. Hey. How'd you go? Hi. Who carried my clothes? Hi. Hey. Help me, oh, help me, oh.
Hey!
already dead though. He will go. Anuka, come open this door. Hey, Anuka, if I catch you, consider yourself dead, yo. You're already dead, though. If I catch you, what did I do to this boy? God, please forgive my sins because they know. Forgive me because God.
Mommy, the food cupboard is locked though.
I know. I lost it.
But Mommy, I'm hungry now. I'm hungry.
You're hungry. It's good to be hungry now. Be hungry. Is it anything to be hungry?
But you are eating. I know you don't eat. You know?
You want to join me? You want to eat? I'm going to be hungry. Alright. Go.
Hey, you're very nice, Mommy.
Sit down, let's eat. It's bon.
Okay.
Close it up. I'm not okay.
I'm your son.
I'm back on you. Anuka. Why are you dancing?
I'm just dancing, I know. I'm not dancing.
Hey. So you have finally run mad.
Mommy, I thought I heard music now.
You heard music? Where? Because I cannot hear any music.
Let me stop dancing now. What am I doing for?
Anuka, why is your hand inside your cloth?
You said?
Why is your hand inside your cloth?
My hand? It's catching cold. It's catching cold. Why?
Your hand is catching cold. Why?
It's catching cold. I just want to...
To what? Let me see it.
My hand? Do you want me to die?
Hi. Did you just say that? Got that plugin on? I am very happy to hear that come out from your mouth. But if you die, I will bury you. I will call the whole villagers. I will give you a befitting burial. I will buy many cows so that everybody will be happy because I will be very happy that you have finally died. Let me see your hand. Come here. Oh yeah. Open your hand. Let me see your hand. Let me see your hand. Hey! Anuka! You stole my money. Oh!
You said?
Hey! I will kill you today. Yeah. Why did you steal it?
Mommy,
Tell me, why did you steal it?
Mommy, I was on the
Why did you come and ask me first? Why did you ask me first? Tell me. Let me kill this boy. Don't kill him. This boy is a devil. Man, where was to? Hey! Shimo! Please, I would have left me. Don't come back to this house, yo. If you come back, just consider yourself dead. Lisa, you don't want. Why are you taking your punishment? I don't want that you support me. That boy, let him die, yo. That boy, you see, is better off dead than alive, oh. You have no idea what that boy has been doing to me in this house. You have no idea.
It's fine. Children are gifts from God. You just have to cherish it.
This one is not a gift from God, oh. This boy is gift from my enemies and they've been taunting me since I gave birth to him. They don't want to leave me, oh. When you can measure, I have no idea.
It's okay. Let us talk about the reason why I came.
Felicia, I hope it's not what I'm thinking.
Ojuko, you know you're my only friend in this village.
So because I am your friend, you now want to borrow my soul out of my life. Felicia, I don't have.
You don't even know how much I want to collect from you.
You don't need to say it. The last two you collected, have you given it back to me? Have you?
But I told you I will give you. I'm just waiting for something, and once it drops, I will pay.
Felicia, drop. Where is this money dropping from? From the sky? Why has it not dropped? Ejigim, I don't have.
What's up, dude? How you doing? Yes, can I help you? Hey, hold on one sec. How you doing?
I'm fine.
My name is Peter Udoka, son of late Chief Clement Udoka.
Peter, wait. The one that was taken abroad many years ago as a child.
Dude, you know me?
Hey! Peter! You know, this village, we have been asking, where is Peter? Where anybody you ask, they say, Nga, Peter, Nga, Peter. What happened?
I'm good, bro. See, I don't know what to mean by Nganga, but dude, I have a real problem. You know, I've been driving around the village for a while now, and I can't seem to locate my father's compound. There was a big tree that was by the compound, and I can't seem to locate it.
Oh, it is no longer there. They've cut it down a long time ago.
Wow.
Yeah, Nnadi. But if you don't mind, I can just come in and ride with you and show you, because that road is very confusing.
Dude, hop in. You look like you need some AC, bro.
I actually do, my brother from Onga. I do.
Come on.
Where will I?
Come on, enter here. Come on, hop in.
Just 10,000 naira.
Felicia, did you say 10,000 is just?
Ochugo, I know I don't have it though, but that doesn't make it big money. But I know you're bigger than 10,000. You have it.
Ewo, Kemji Bruzieno, your money lender. So, I have. That is why you have to borrow from me all the time. I don't have.
What are friends for?
Friendship is not for borrowing. I hope you know that.
No problem. Please now, just give me.
Ewo, Kemji Bruzieno, your money lender. So, I have. That is why you have to borrow from me all the time. I don't have.
Please now, just give me.
You will give it back to me. You will give it back to me.
I will. Stop shouting. You want the whole world to know because I came to borrow money from you. You know the world, they have ears.
It's better they know so that they'll be my witness. I don't have, oh! You people are hearing it, oh! You will give it back to me.
House. You won't believe it, dude. I passed here a couple of times. I didn't recognize this.
You don't mean it.
There used to be a tree right here.
Oh, yes.
Man, a lot of childhood memories rushing back at me right now. Damn. It's all good. Thank you so much.
It's all right.
It's all right. I have to start going because I was going somewhere before I saw you. You know, I had to bring you home.
Oh, for real?
As Onye Singer.
I need to show you some appreciation. Oh, you're a good man, alright? I don't have a lot of naira, but just, you know, where you're going to.
I did not ask for it, though. But since you have given me,
It's okay. My gang brother.
thank you.
You're a good man.
Peter.
I'll see you around, bro.
Welcome.
Alright?
Welcome. Piro!
My man. My man, I'll see you around. Nice. Woo! Welcome home, Peter. Welcome home.
Ngwa, count it.
No need. I was counting with you.
Felicia, count it though, so you will
was
confirm it
counting with
yourself.
you. Okay. It's complete.
So how much do you owe me in total?
35,000.
To be paid when?
Soon.
Soon is not an answer. Give me a date.
Okay. In a month's time.
Better keep to your word though.
I will. Ojugo.
What is it again?
One more thing.
What is it again?
I am very hungry. Do you have food in the house? I've not eaten since morning. But I'm from Nemezi. Yoro. There's no food. I've not eaten. Because, give me food.
You're going to make a oh?
Huh?
No, give it to me. Let me hold it for you.
Magagin is it? No. Are you bringing the food? Ojugo, Kamanu Nawa. Should I start going? Are you bringing the food? You didn't even say a word.
Lumba. Hey! Auntie Felicia!
Anuka. Is it me you're calling longer truth?
No, me. See my eye, I'm blind. Abi? I'm blind now. Any day you come here, you must surely eat. Auntie Felicia, don't you cook in your house? Longer truth. See, so your clock, your throat is just clocking. Clock. Beep, boo.
Felicia.
Give me that food.
I'll see who you are supporting. See who you were stopping me from flogging. In Afia. Ekwensu.
Anuka. I just stopped your mother from beating you.
So that's why I now want to finish the whole food in our house, Abi. You have to tell him to become a good person. Give me that food!
I will kill you. I will kill you.
Mommy, tell her to become to have. Come and go to your house.
I will kill you.
Come and give me that food.
I will kill you.
Come and kill me now.
I will kill you. I will kill you.
Come and kill.
I will kill you.
Come and see my throat here. Come and kill.
Hello. Anybody at home?
May I help you?
Hey, little boy, how are you?
Wait. Me? Little boy?
Anyway, never mind. I'm looking for Ojugo. Is she in?
Wait. You've not answered my question. Why? Okay, do you know me? Do you know me? Which planet? Which country?
You, this child. Are you okay? What's your problem? I just told you I'm looking for Ojugo. Are you trying to interrogate me?
Interrogating you. Okay, you want me to give it to you more and more, Abi?
Hey, I'm not here for your nonsense. Okay? If that's how you are trained, that's what I just told you I'm looking for Ojugo. And I expect you to tell me she's inside or she's not. What is wrong with you?
No, she went to the market, but I'm sure that she will be coming back by now. Oh, so it must be one of our regular customer, right?
Okay, something like that. Where is she?
Regular customer. Come and see.
That's why you should have said earlier.
Don't touch my hair. What? Look at this. Look at it.
Okay, you are running, right? You are running. Don't worry, I'll catch you.
Maybe. What is it?
Don't aim me, oh. Don't aim me. I'm not happy, oh. Me, I'm not happy. Look at my body.
You don't look happy. What happened to you?
Me, I'm not happy, oh. Who is that thing you kept in the house?
Anuka, what did he do to you? What did he say to you?
Imagine that boy. Why am I even calling him a boy, sir? That man you kept in the house. Look at what he did to me. Look at my body.
Amy, please, I am sorry. I am sorry. Please tell me, what did he do to you? Tell me what he said to you.
Me, I'm not ready for this explanation. No. Better carry that thing you kept there. That man, carry him back to wherever you bring him from. Come, me, I'm not happy.
Okay, but please forgive me. Inugo, I am sorry. I'm going to talk to him. Oh?
I've heard you. But next time you will come over to me, I'm not coming to your house again. Before that man will kill me. Me, I'm not ready to die young because of love. Take that to wherever you bring him from.
Please, I'm sorry. Inugo, I'm sorry.
I've heard you. Me, I'm not coming back to you.
But where are you going?
What sort of rubbish question is that? Eh?
No, are you asking me? Answer me, where are you going?
Are you now the man of the house or my wife? Eh? Must you know everywhere I'm going?
See, me, I'm not dragging the man with you. But write it at the back of your mind that if you don't tell me where you are going, I will not allow you go.
Look, Kurunke, I don't have your time. Leave my way.
Benny, this way, yeah? You think I'm joking?
See.
No, you think I'm joking with you. Hey! You think I'm joking with you?
You get what happened in 1902.
Okay.
Eh? I don't want it to repeat itself. I get hot temper and I reverse quick.
See, I want to see that hot temper. Look, see, it's obvious that you don't have anywhere meaningful to go. Yes,
no try
very obvious.
Leave me now. Leave me one.
I don't go. If I don't
see,
leave you, come.
I go kill somebody, kill myself and jump inside the river. I've done it before and I will do it again. No.
Kill me.
See, so, the man. What you are doing to your husband?
This.
Eh? Leave me one.
This husband.
Ruka, leave me one.
I will not leave you.
Hey. What's up? Hey, please, I'm looking for a restaurant around here. Good one. I'm so hungry.
The restaurant is very, very far. You have to get to the junction.
Can you direct me to the place at least?
Why not look for somebody that will go to the market and buy some things and cook good food for you?
See, the problem is I just came back from the States. I don't have anyone to help me around here, Shari.
Amaka, not Shari.
Amaka. Yeah, nice to meet you, Amaka.
Okay. Why not? I can go to the market for you and buy foodstuffs and then cook for you.
You can do that, and I don't want to stress you.
If I couldn't, I wouldn't have suggested it.
Oh, okay. Well, I don't mind actually because I believe your cooking, your food will look and taste as good as you look with that beautiful smile. Okay. Then hop in. So you direct me, so I take you to the market. We'll get the foodstuffs and
Okay.
All right. Turn around. Good. Good. That's your house?
Yes, over there.
How long will it take?
It's just rice and beans. Give me like 45 minutes.
45. That's a lot.
Oh, okay, let me bring it to your house.
Do you know where I stay?
You can describe your house to me now. I'll come.
Do you know late Chief Clement Udoka's house?
Amoji.
Exactly.
Okay, yes. Okay, that's where you live.
I'm his son.
Oh,
Peter, I thought everybody in this village knew me.
I know you now. Okay, okay, I'll bring it to you then. I'll bring it to your house.
Okay. I'll be waiting.
Okay, all right. Bye.
You say see ya, because we're seeing soon. All right?
Okay, see you.
All right. I'll see you later, okay? Take care of yourself, all right? See you. Beautiful girl. Hope your food tastes as good as you look.
Sneaking.
Look. If I fall down from here, if I survive it, I'll kill you.
You kill me. Why are you sneaking?
Why do you lock the front door?
Because I want you to remain in the house so that you can think about your life.
Do I have your life? Sorry. Look, let me tell you, I don't know what you're subjecting me to. Are you hearing me? Be careful with me,
Who do you think you are? As long as I feed you in this house, I'm the man and you are the woman.
Ruke? So this is what you're turning me into? Into a woman rapper? Me?
If there's anything other than woman rapper, that's what you are.
Hey.
Come inside now so that you can think about your life. Oh yeah, come down.
Oh, wait. You don't say here it's higher than what you think. Wait. Wait. You don't say my up like that. Wait, let me calm down. Come on, something. Let me just calm down. Say you're the grandson.
Hey! You don't go!
Are you good? Nara. Ojuku, I'm coming.
Who there? Amaka, is that you? Smiling Amaka, is that you?
Yes.
Oh,
I'm done.
I see the food is ready, yeah?
Yeah.
Thank you so much. 1 second, okay? Smells good. I'll be right back.
Okay.
Wow. I actually had to open it. It looks good too. Thank you so much once again. All right? This is a token as a show of appreciation from me.
No. Thank you. I didn't do it for the money.
I know. I'm not paying you. This is just a show of appreciation. I didn't even ask and you helped me.
Don't worry. I don't want to spend your money. You can keep it.
Listen, I have enough. If I didn't, I won't be offering you this much.
Don't worry, I have to go. Bye bye. See ya.
Wow. Such a nice girl. Okay. Let's do the pool before it gets cold.
I got this from one woman that is in this life, I must survive. Whether with you or without you, I am so happy. My life has better. Look at me. Well, how do you go? I've been the one. This cross river. What's that? Come on. Okay. Yeah. Who's here? Oh, yeah, from one. Open this door before I will break it. Where is he? Yeah, my little look.
Where are you coming from?
Under fire, you dear. Will you open this place? Is this your house? Open it before I will break it.
Go back to where you are coming from.
Can you man? Under fire, you dear. Why you from one?
Olórí burúkú ọkọ. Ṣọkọ lélẹ̀. Olóòrùn.
But tell you not under fire, you feel like a thief. I'm cursing you. It's all right. I don't have your time. But done, I'm done with you. You see. Let me lie down on this.
Aláìnítìjú, ọ̀mùtí gbàgbé ẹ̀ṣẹ̀. Kí ló dé? Ṣọ́ṣẹ́ pè fún ẹni. Go back to where you are coming from.
It's all right. If you speak English, or regret that quote, don't come. Intro long, my journey. My sister, no favor. It's okay. I've already crafted my condition. She's younger. Oh, my black book, whatever. Mistake wife. I don't know. This man that I gave money to go and bring wife for me. You want to bring on your young one? I don't have a car. I have my mother phone here. What's this life? Hey! I can see everything.
Ruka, you pour me water.
Yes. Finally, you woke up. I thought you would have joined your ancestors.
Hey! Me?
Yes.
By this time. Oh, you want me to die? I will not die. So wait. Look, I slept here.
No. You were coughing.
Hey.
Or you were bathing here.
And you are aware that I slept here?
Yes. You slept where you are meant to sleep.
So you are this wicked and evil. Eh? So you don't know that I'm your husband. Eh? Eh? You allow me to sleep here. What if something happens to me? Huh?
I couldn't even sleep all through the night.
I knew she loves me. So you love me all this while and you are pretending.
Me, God forbid. God forbid. Ọlọ́run má jẹ́. Me love you. I was only thinking about the cost of caskets and rice and every other thing that we use for burial. Me love you for what?
On your friend, man. Oh, Mashishala no favor. Eh? You want me dead? See, I know you are evil. My God will change you. I will not die, and I will live to proclaim the words of God.
She song you lead. Ìwọ tó ń bá ta kan fi ra àtùpà tó sọ̀rọ̀ ẹ̀dá jí tán náà wò. Ìgbà tó kù nǹkan kí ló ń ṣe láyé. Ìwọ yìí náà ọkọ àbọ̀kọ.
Oh, lelo yeji. Hey, you think I will die? I will not die. Look at you. Ọmọ kí ọmọ kò ní ọ̀dọ́. Má ṣiṣẹ́ àlà ló fẹ́ wuru. Regret kó fún akó tó tẹ̀lé ọlọ́run má jẹ ní.
If you know that, na me go see kill you last.
I don't have to.
Na me go kill you last. Olóṣì ṣé lè yọ ọkọ. Olóṣì adójútì ni.
been walking around. I can't seem to find where I could get some toiletries.
Toilet? Now for bush you dey do am here.
Oh, I get you. No. I mean toilets. I mean toiletries, no, like roll-ons and body spray. You get that? Yeah,
exactly.
Yes.
Oh. It's very far along that express. Very far. There's a supermarket there.
All the way to the express?
Yes, that's what
And there's nothing in this village. Everything I seem to need is just far away. Anyway, thank you so much, all right? Thank you.
You're welcome.
That means I have to get home then. I could drive to the express.
Anuka.
Okay.
Yeah, oh, come. I want to go to the market and buy something for you. What are you looking at? I said I want to go to the market and buy something for me.
Okay, mommy. If you next time if you go to the market, you buy it and you're welcome back.
Mba, this one is very important. If you don't go now, something will spoil. You know, go to my room on top of my bed. You will see my purse. Bring it. When you come out, I'll tell you what you buy from me. You go.
What will spoil?
Anuka, go now. When you come out, I'll tell you.
I want to still see you here.
Anuka, follow the front door. Where are you going to? Hurry up! Something will spoil, oh.
What will spoil, oh?
Market will close. God. Wait. I told him to go and bring my purse so that I'll send it to the market. Once he goes, when time starts my baby. But wait, Obina. I hope you brought that money that you promised me the last time.
Yes, don't you trust me again? Wait, let me give it to you first.
Wait, don't worry. Go and hide, please. This boy. Go. Anuka, hurry up! Market is too close. Anuka! Anuka!
Yes, Mama!
Come now, what is taking you so long? What's taking you so long?
Mama, here's your purse.
Thank you, Mom. What took you so long? So, take. Go and buy me red oil. When you get to the market, make sure you reach the market. Anuka, dear, what is it? What are you doing?
What do you say I should buy?
Make sure you reach the market with red oil. Don't buy those roadside on their own, is not good.
Oh, okay. Yes, Mom, red oil. But what about the one that we have inside the house?
That one is too small, it won't be enough. Besides, I want to make red oil pepper soup.
Which one is red oil pepper soup again, Mommy?
Don't worry, you will like it. You know go? Yeah. Start going, yeah?
Is it sweet?
Very sweet. Be going, eh? Make sure you reach that market, oh. Don't branch
Market?
anywhere.
Which is it supermarket?
Down our village market. Hurry, look at Kawagodi. Go first. Eh?
Okay, village square.
Eh.
Okay.
Don't buy the one on the roadside. Obinna! Obinna! You have to hurry up. Let's go inside before that boy comes back. I don't trust him. He's a witch. Okay, let's hurry up.
Give me that I'm sorry you did this. On your floor, how?
I don't know.
How can I go home?
Not pass that witchcraft.
This your son is a big witch.
I need water. Oh. Hey!
Are you asking me for water in your house? Yes, please.
Aluka.
You need water.
Is it that this is a wife?
No.
Aluka, what are you
doing?
Aluka, hey!
No, come on. What are you inside?
You know him? Of course now. Ha! I will cook for him. And he offered me money.
You offered me money?
Yes.
How much?
I don't know. I didn't count it. Besides, I told him not to worry.
You told him not to worry. You are there for me, big girl. After you come and beg me for money. Don't ever come to me for money, because I will not give you. Look.
I'm not forming any big deal. It's called strategy. You know what I mean? Eh? See, if I had taken the money from him, he would have felt I was materialistic or something. But because I did not, they would see me as a good girl and a wife material.
Wife material indeed. You don't even know what you are doing.
Stay there, eh? Okay, Megi Vamnanya. I'm planning my moves. I'm playing my cards. You want to go?
I'm here watching.
Hello, car.
Oh, forget.
Hello, car.
Oh God.
Today is a great day.
As you can see, of course.
Where are you going?
I don't understand. I'm going out as usual.
Anyway, you are a man and you deserve to at least enjoy once. But you know what? You can only go out if you give me money to cook, and at least let me even change this my wig.
Huh? This hair does not up to 4 months. Hey, Ruke. Okay, what does that have to do with my going out?
I just need money to cook and to make my hair.
Look, Ruke, I woke up today feeling funky. Don't push me.
If I push you, wetin go happen?
Don't push me.
Now today you dey fall.
Don't push me. Because if you push me, if I go
I better come back here. It's inside the joke with you. No, you give me money. You dey mad. For your mind now, you be man. So if they talk about men, make them come out now. You go enter there say you be man. Ọgbẹ́ni fún mi lọ́wọ́ jọ. Ẹja.
Hey, open money, open more. Also then, calm down. Let's get a job with you. Hey, Ruka, you found me.
Yeah.
Hey, look, the others must hear this. You will bring 3 cows. That's what you bring.
No, na 5 ram.
In that case, I'm going nowhere.
If you like go nowhere, you still pay the money. You still give me the money.
You win, draw.
No problem now. Hello, can you pay this money?
We've got into my house. Can you go home? What are you doing here now?
I want to see your mother.
You want to see my mother? Are you giving me a report? Go now!
What is it? Teacher.
Good afternoon.
Anuka, what is the problem?
Nothing.
He has been expelled from school. The headmaster asked me to bring him home myself and give you the report so he does not lie to you.
Chai. Anuka, Eziogu. What did you do this time that they expelled you?
See, don't mind this teacher with red skirt. Because I did not do anything at all. See, because they say that their classroom is filled with people. So they want to reduce them and then they'll bring me back.
And you were one of the reduced.
Don't mind him, he's telling lies.
So you are finally home, eh? You have finally been expelled from school.
As in,
Welcome home, mom.
Hey, thank you.
Come and hug your mother. Welcome. Oh, welcome.
Okay.
Kenti. From now going forward, your new school is my shop.
Your shop?
Yes.
What am I learning from this?
You will go back inside this house. Remove this your rag.
Wear
your clothes. And come and attend to the people in the shop.
I'm hungry, I want to eat. So I'm in charge of the food now. So I'm in charge of the food.
Anuka, carry your bag.
So I'm in charge of the food now.
Oh yeah, inside.
Okay, I'm coming.
Carry this dirty bag, what's it?
Hey, I'm expelled though. Thank you, Jesus. I will enjoy the whole food.
Go inside. Inside, go and change.
How much money are you got? Aye.
Hello there. Hello, how are you?
I'm okay.
My name is Peter.
I'm Ojugo.
Oh, okay. You see, I just returned from the States after many years, yeah? And I'm so bored.
Call your friends to keep you company.
You see, now I know you, okay? I don't need to call no one else.
I mean the ones you already have.
I want to make you my friend, okay? That's if you don't mind.
Okay, if you say so, but I have somewhere very important to go to.
Oh. Well, that's not a problem, okay? There's no rush. What I'm saying is we can meet up in the evening, okay? You'll go grab a drink, have the same conversation, get to know each other more. So what you say?
If you insist.
Of course I insist. You know what? Hold on. Yeah, put your number here, okay? So I'll call you up. Okay, that's it. So what's your name again?
Ojugo.
Ojugo. I'll hit you up, alright?
Okay.
You take care of yourself.
Amaka! Why are you shouting my name like that?
I just saw Peter.
Is Peter a ghost? I only told you to stay away from him. Nanjidogi, if I catch you trying to date him, I'm going to kill you.
Stay here and be talking nonsense. Someone else is taking your position. Just be here.
Who?
Well, I've told everything about me. Tell me about yourself.
Oh, well, there's nothing to tell about myself, really. Nothing.
I don't believe you because everyone has a story.
Well, you see, many years ago, I lost my parents. Then I decided to travel abroad. You know, I went to the United States and I studied. When I was done studying, I stayed back a little while. Then I decided to come back home. So that's my story.
Sorry about your parents.
It's okay. I've gotten over that already.
So, what about your marital status?
Well, I am single and ready to mingle.
Why are you putting me now? Do you want to embarrass him? You don't know that you might ruin the chances of getting married to him. Don't you know? Don't you know that these abroad men don't like being humiliated?
Are you sure?
Do you want to...
Come on, you should join me and have some meat. It's getting cold. Okay? Come on, don't be shy.
I bought it for you.
I know, but there's love in sharing the same.
Well, hey, that's my house. Now you know.
Okay, so I can visit.
Of course. Anytime.
Alright, I'll see you some other time, okay?
Okay, but why don't you come inside and have something?
Nah, I'm having a banging headache. I need to go home and rest.
Okay.
Alright. I'll see you around.
Alright, thank you.
Alright. Thank you.
Who is here? Peter, baby.
Amaka. Howdy.
What are you doing with her at the back?
Excuse you.
Please don't pretend like you don't know what I'm talking about. What are you doing with Ojugo at the bar?
Oh, Ojugo. I was on a date with her. Wait. Do you have a problem with that?
You're even saying that to my face.
I don't understand what you're driving at. Do I need your permission to see other women?
What about me? What about us?
You're acting weird right now. Listen, Amaka, there's no us. There's nothing going on between us. Nothing.
But I cooked food for you. I thought we were about to fall in love.
How? Okay, fine. I'm sorry if I laid you on. But I never had it in mind that I was going to fall in love with you. Okay? Amaka, are you okay? Amaka?
Leave me alone. Eh? Did I tell you to tell me what you saw? Did I ask you to tell me what you saw? Eh? No, you're going around monitoring him and Ajurungi. No, you have spoiled everything.
No. Please don't blame me. Are you not the one that told me he's your boyfriend? What did I do wrong?
You did everything wrong. You did everything wrong. Oh, you just like being busybody. In a while, silly. Eh? Going from place to place, spoiling people's peaceful relationship.
See, carry your cross, oh. Carry your cross. See this loser looking for who to blame. Are you not a loser? Are you not a loser? Are you not a loser?
This is your father, your mother, your generation.
Look at this stupid girl. Loser. You just call my father. You just call my father. Idiot.
Mama stupid.
You just call
in my own house.
What is it?
It's when you need help, you meet people like me.
Oh, shut up. What help? What do you know that I'm doing?
Ha! You think I don't know that you've been following your husband around? Eh? Me self, I'm following you. You're doing like rabbit. Do not help you.
Do you know him?
Ha! It's not Uncle Eluka. Hey! I know him well now.
Hey.
So, where are you taking me to this weekend?
It's really up to you. Just make a choice.
Mommy, I am hungry. Is there food in the kitchen? Good evening, sir.
Good evening. How are you?
Fine, sir. I'm hungry.
You have a son I didn't tell me?
Anuka. No. He's my sister's son. We've been living together for years. Anuka, come. Yes. You know, I've been living with him for many years now. That's why he calls me mommy. And I call him son.
That's so sweet. Both of you must be so close.
Ah, very close. Even closer to me than his own mother. I know. You see you're hungry, eh? Okay. You can go to the kitchen and dish food for yourself. You know, go collect plenty meat. You can go. Good boy. So, before we were interrupted,
Me, Anuka, she just denied in front of her boyfriend. Hey, I'm my sister's son. You know what? In fact, let me go and tell that man that I am her son. But wait, I should have done it there. Okay, let me eat. She denied me the same way Peter denied Jesus. Okay. Father, bless this food and you commit into your hand with precious blood.
are you going back to the States?
Nah. I will only relocate to Lagos and after spending some time here. I want to familiarize myself with my relatives, you know, and my hometown. I wouldn't want to feel like a stranger among my people again, you know.
Ah, you're right. So what are your plans?
Really, I want to get married, you know, and then relocate with her. I'm the only child. That's what's expected of me.
So have you found the right one?
Ojigo, I think I should take my leave now.
Why are you not answering the question?
Because the question is better unanswered. Listen, when the time is right, you will know, and everyone else will know who the right one is. Okay? I have to leave now.
Okay.
Yeah. Good night.
Good night.
Take care of yourself, okay?
I will.
All right. Take care of you.
I will.
Ojugo, please get me a glass of water. You can see I'm very thirsty.
Anuka.
Is it? What you say?
Is it me you're talking to like that?
Who are you?
I am your mother. Don't you have respect for your mother anymore?
No, you're not my mother. You're my mother's sister. Please go and get water for me. I'm very thirsty right now. Oh, you go water!
Chileke Water! Amaka, what's the problem?
What are you doing with my man?
Who is your man?
Pretender. What are you doing with Peter?
Peter. Peter is your man.
Wait, he didn't tell you?
No, he didn't mention anything of such.
Anyways, I'm not going to tell you ever again. Stay away from Peter. I met him first. I don't want to see you close to him ever again. I'm not going to warn you again, no.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Her name is Amaka. I met her on my way coming to this place and she told me she's your girlfriend.
And you believed her?
Do I have any reason not to believe her?
You have no reason to believe her. What do you think of me? That I'll stoop so low to date a girl who has never left this village her entire life? Come on now.
Are you sure you're telling me the truth?
Of course I am.
Okay. If you are, then I would like to do something for me.
Listen, anything for you, baby. Anything to make you happy, okay?
Okay. Follow me to her house so that we can end these things once and for all.
Are you kidding me? You don't trust me?
That means there's something you're hiding. There's something you're not telling me. I have to leave now.
Hey, no. It's fine, okay? You say we'll go to her house, we'll go to her house. We'll resolve this once and for all. Okay? That makes you happy?
Yes, that will make me happy.
Yeah, let's go. Sorry. 1 second, let me get a car keys. Hold on. Hey, listen to me. Ojigo, come. This is my woman. Are you hearing me? I don't want to get another report from her about you.
But
will you shut up? I am still talking. If you were expecting anything from me, I wasn't from you. Okay? Stay away from my woman. Stay away from Ojugo. If I see you anywhere around her, 50 meters around her, I'll put you in jail. And I'll make sure you rot in jail.
Jail what?
Do you understand me?
Yes.
I can hear you.
Yes.
Good.
Jail what?
Now you know. You heard him. Stay away from me and Peter.
It's okay, baby. Let's go.
Peter.
Hey, don't mess with me. Don't mess with me. Don't mess with me.
You know you have been a wonderful friend to me. I came to beg you to please exercise some patience. You know, go.
Oh, that one.
I will pay you.
Is it not you again?
I will pay.
Or is this another Felicia? I'm used to you. No problem. Don't expect. Anytime you get it, you give me. What can I do?
Oh, there's another thing I wanted to say, but I don't know how it will come out from my mouth.
Please don't say it.
Baby.
Hi.
Hey.
Peter. Hey. Peter.
Yeah.
Meet my best friend, Felicia. Really? Meet my man, Peter.
Hey.
Felicia. How you doing? Good, Felicia.
I'm fine.
Good.
He's my man, oh.
Peter.
My
nice
man.
to meet you.
He's my man.
That's just mine.
Feli, you got to be another oh. After we conclude that discussion, go in peace.
Peter.
Go in peace. Oh.
Peter.
Gordon.
Yeah, okay, see you.
Hey.
Yeah. How was business today?
It went well, I was about closing it. Because of this, my friend, I stayed back up till now.
Oh, okay.
But she has gone. Let me just pack up.
So I'll wait up for you.
Of course.
All right.
Thank you.
Okay.
Sit down.
All right, no problem.
So you mean it? You don't want to take anything from my house? It's the first time you're coming here, please.
I know, but don't worry yourself. I will visit here very often, so I'll have enough time to, eat whatever you have.
It's okay.
Oh yeah, you know.
I'm good. What is it? I'll get it.
How are you doing?
Okay.
Yeah, she's fine now.
Thank you.
Let me see him.
I love your beers.
You'll soon grow one. Funny boy.
What is it? Why did you call me out here when you know that
I want to drink mineral.
So it's because of mineral that you pulled me out of this place? Hey, go and drink mineral now.
Come back here.
Yeah? Did you just drag me back?
Yeah. I want to first go inside the house so that I will tell that man that you are my mother.
Shut up. Michelle. How did you enter inside my stomach in the first place?
God tell me now.
You wizard. So, Chalo, because of ordinary mineral, you want to scatter my class?
Just say I want to drink mineral now. If I them go tell me.
Ababa, can't you? See, go to my place and collect money and buy two. And look at 2. No, let me rest. 2? Yes.
What about 3?
Shut up. I never have even give you 1.
Why do you not push my cheek?
Go now. Go. If I enter there now, you want to do something.
How much will I carry?
Go and collect money for 2 bottles of mineral. Ha! I will get this boy in this house. What kind of wahala is this? Hi.
Hey, okay. You're back.
I'm back.
I hope there's no problem.
No, he only asked me about something.
I hope it's not related with my presence.
No. Hey, that boy. He likes me.
I know you. You're Ojigo's best friend, right?
Friend actually, not best. Because I don't tell her my secret.
Okay. I hope there's no problem.
Yes, I came to see you and say hi to you. And you know, the last time we saw, there was not enough time for us to have proper introduction. I came to know you better.
But I already know enough about you.
But I don't know enough about you. So why don't we go inside and get to know each other better?
Okay, let's go in. Let me bring out a seat so we can talk outside. Okay?
No, let's go inside. Inside is better.
See, I don't think so. I'm not
I
sure.
think inside would be better.
Okay, if you say so.
Mm-hmm.
But I'm not sure about
Let's
that.
go.
Okay, hold on. Let me open the gate. You're welcome.
Anuka, what are you doing? Why are you drinking the two of them at the same time?
I don't want to hear stories. So I know now you go and carry one and go and turn it.
Anuka, why did you blackmail me? Why?
Not blackmail you. I just told you that I want a mineral. You get me money. You say I should buy two. I bought two now.
So what you want?
What does she have that I don't? Just take a good look at me.
I can see you, okay? You're hot. But the problem is she's a friend.
No one will tell her, or would you?
What if she finds out herself?
We're not kids. Just take me. Harvest me. Do me whatever you want. Please.
Listen, see, I'll need to think about it, okay? I'll think about it, then I'll let you know. But right now, listen, you need to leave. Someone could snitch on us right now. Okay?
Are you sure you think about it?
I sure would. I'll think about it and I'll let you know.
Okay. I'll be waiting.
That's not a problem. I'll hit you up, okay?
Ngwanu.
Thank you so much, okay?
Bye.
No problem.
Bye-bye.
This girl is hot. But I'm with her best friend. What if this is a trap? But then, what if it's not? How do I go into this without being caught?
Hey!
Anuka, have I not warned you to stop calling me Ojugo? Eh? Am I your mate?
What should
What
I not be calling you?
What happened to the mommy you called me before? What happened to it?
No, you're not my mommy again. No. You're my mommy's sister. Yeah? See, you're not my mother. At all. So you better answer your Jugo in peace.
Anuka. Can somebody make mistake again? I told you that thing was a mistake. It was a slip of tongue.
That tongue has been sleeping since that day. So you're washing clothes, Abby? Hey, let me follow you and wash. This one is exactly what, Abby? This one is clothes. Aya!
Felicia, please let me ask you something. Have you visited Peter before?
Peter. Who is Peter?
Peter, no. Peter, my boyfriend. The one that I introduced to you the other day.
No. Do I know where he lives? Hey, Ibiakwa. Why would I visit your boyfriend? Starting when, Juan? And why would you even think such a thing? Why?
Is that boy Anuka? Eh? That boy can gossip, eh? If you see the way he was running his mouth like that, as if he saw you with his two eyes going into Peter's place.
No, it's not me.
Don't mind him, Mojare. Don't mind him. So what were you even saying?
You know now. And this one is a matter of life and death.
Felicia. Money. Do you know how much you're owing me? No idea.
Ojugo, it's not your fault that God is blessing you. More reason you have to bless your friend. Eh? I told you that I'm expecting money. Eh? And once it comes, I will pay back soon.
I don't have.
Ojugo,
I don't have.
you know you have. And you know lies does not fit you. You know. You don't even know how to lie. Doesn't fit you. Hmm?
How much?
Mwah. Sweetheart, I know you will come back. You know I'm sweeter than Ojugo. Hmm?
See, I came, I saw, and I confirmed.
Hmm?
You are so sweet. Listen, we should go home, okay? Let's get to my house.
No, I don't think here is safe. Eh? Let's find somewhere and go.
Why? Why do you say that? Did you notice anything?
Not really, but there was a day she was asking me, when was the last time you saw Peter? You know? I don't know. So maybe she's suspecting something.
So where will we do this now?
Don't worry. I have the lead. I'll think of a place, okay?
Okay, I trust you, because I need you right now. I need you every time. So, you find a new place, right?
I will,
okay,
Peter.
Good. So kiss me now. Oh, electrifying. Hold on. I need to take you in.
Anuka, please, I beg you in the name of God, don't tell your mother.
He has left.
Yes, so.
Were you able to convince him not to tell his aunt?
Aunt? So you're also sleeping with the aunt?
What are you talking about?
What am I not talking about? You just said it.
The aunt is Ojugo, your friend.
Was that what she told you?
That's what she told me. She told me the boy is a nephew.
No, that's her son. Anuka is her son. Why is she lying?
Are you freaking kidding me?
Why would I lie to you?
Wait, she been lying to me all this while? She
Papa,
told me the boy is the nephew, the sister's son.
Ojugo can lie. I don't know Ojugo to be a liar, but I beg you, do not confront her now, so you not bring problem between two of us.
I got this good. It's good to chop. It's really simple. You get money, chop them. Don't make that. Me one leg bend. Aye. Me one leg bend. Aye.
Anuka. Chimo. Why did you get money to buy all these things?
Okay. I will deal with you today. Come and eat. By the time I'm done with you, you start expecting me. Because you too much.
Oh, mommy, I'm hungry.
If you near me, I will pluck off those your eyes that use it. I will pluck them off. You want to eat, okay? Come and eat.
Okay.
Yeah, no. Come close.
Okay.
Come and take.
Omali cham.
Hello. Hello.
Yeah, yeah.
How do you go?
You're welcome. You're welcome.
Oh, you.
Ignore him because
all these children that we are born in the region of Buhari, all of them are very white.
Sir, you give me food. Okay.
Ojugo. Ya que ya primero moju. Olando bato.
Oh, you came back again. So where's my money?
You will not calm down and allow God to do his work.
Will you shut up your mouth? Do you think I'll fall for that your rubbish streak? Again? Please, respect yourself. Give me my money.
It's not money, it's not money, it's food.
I don't have.
What, uncle?
Pussy.
See, if I'm taking you there, I'll just faint and die.
It's better you die. Yes. Give me my money.
Calm down. I just saw your husband and he arrived at one woman's house. Did you not go out just now?
Yes, he just left.
Okay, I saw him in one woman's house. See, if you give me food, we've caught him now. Like this one.
This boy. Are you serious? Are you sure?
I'm sure.
Very sure.
I am sure.
Okay. Don't come and use someone eye for me, oh. I'm warning you, oh.
I don't even
I'm coming.
Be fast, oh. Put juice. You have juice.
You are the sweetest woman on earth. I gave somebody money to bring wife for me. He went and brought the other woman. Don't trust, but you take what I saw. You are the sweetest. See, next time I'll come this world, you'll be my wife. Don't mind that you're woman. Let me. Hey! See, she was a reverend mother. No, she was preaching the word of. Hey! Wait! She. No. You will kill him! Hey! You will kill him! Hey!
Please, I am begging you. I don't want to live that kind of life anymore. Please. Ozugozin, I'm done. People, understand me.
Wait. So you want to just dump me because of Peter, eh? Listen, let me tell you. If you don't do what I want, I will tell Peter everything. Check it out. That's it though.
So you're blackmailing me, okay? You are blackmailing me. That is what you want.
Call it whatever you want. You go do, Abi, you no go do. Okay, Doro.
Obina, let's go inside. But I will not do it the way you like it.
Let's go.
I will not do it the way you like it.
Let's go.
Let's go.
So it's true, huh? You're a low-class call girl. You had a son and you lied to me that he's a nephew. So I don't want to see you again in my life.
Mban, Peter, it's not like that. It's not what you think. This thing you're saying is not real. It's not what you think. Because Peter, you know, go.
Shh. You see fiaka, like my granddad used to say.
Peter, because
Ojugo.
Don't do Peter. Peter.
Leave that guy. When granite no day, we know the chop concrete. We have been doing this thing before he came back from Monga. I will leave him. Just come back. Am I not good enough for you?
You're happy, Okoya. You're happy. Have you seen what you caused? You're happy, Okoya. You have seen what you have caused, Okoya. You have caused. You are happy. You're happy.
Ojugo.
If I see you anywhere near my house, you see what I'll do to you.
Ojugo.
I don't like it.
Peter, I am pregnant.
How does that concern me?
Which one is how does that concern you?
I am carrying your baby. Your unborn child. Our unborn child.
Hey, just stop it, okay? I don't know what you're talking about here. Listen to me. I know this trick, but don't play it on me. I'm a good old player, okay? You want to force me to marry you by telling me you're pregnant? That won't work on me. Baby girl, carry this pregnancy and get out of here. You initiated this hide and seek affair. So go take care of yourself, okay?
Peter, you cannot speak that English for me. You were enjoying it with me. When you were doing all the you did not remember. Don't speak that English, oh. You can't even try it.
I don't.
Felicia. Chibu. So it's true. You have been sleeping with Peter.
No, I'm not sleeping with him. It's not what you think.
So how did you get pregnant for him? It was in marriages. The pregnancy fell from up to your womb. Felicia, you see today, I will kill you. All the money you have been collecting from me, you will pay them today, right here, right now. All you want to
hello. Can you not take this nonsense outside? Can you not take this nonsense outside? Hey, take it outside.
Oh, Mama, I told you now. I told you, oh, you don't want to believe your own son. Eh? But when I saw them doing it again, today I started collecting money like I'm withdrawing from bank. And that is why.
Anuka.
I'm sorry.
Anuka, so this is why
we're busy collecting money and betraying your own mother. Me, your own mother, Anuka, what did I do to you in this world, Anuka? Anuka, is it a bad thing you came into this world through me? Is it a bad thing, Anuka? Anuka, me, your mother. Hey!
Hi. Look, my mother's sister. My mother's sister. See, I don't mean to. It's not intentional at all. Look, when you don't want to listen to me, that is when I started collecting money now. Money shut up fee. You know, when you collect money, you shut up. You start eating. That is why I'm sorry. Look, oh yeah, calm down. My mother's sister, calm down. What's wrong? Calm down. Oh yeah, wait. Let me dance for you. See, I want me to make the song. This life I can't keep myself. I can't keep myself. Oh, this life I can't keep myself. Oh, this life I can't keep myself. Oh, oh, this life I can't keep myself.
You have been standing here since afternoon. Is there anything long?
I'm waiting for Peter.
Peter? Peter has traveled now.
Do you know the Peter I'm talking about?
I know Peter. Our house is just behind his house now.
No, Peter cannot travel. Travel to where?
He came this morning to tell my father that he was traveling.
No. How can Peter travel? Just like that? Hey! Hey! No. Hey!
What? What happened? What is the problem?
You don't understand. What am I going to do? What am I going to do? I am finished. Hey! What am I going to do? What am I going to do? My father wants me. What am I going to do? Where do I go from here? Where do I go from here? Hey! The mom nappy baby go to the game get the one. Hey! Give away for
Ojugo.
Charles!
Ojugo.
Precious. Chima. Charles, you abandoned me and the pregnancy. I even came back looking for you. But your father asked your gate man to throw me out. So I came back to the village and started afresh.
I'm so sorry. Besides, my parents didn't want us together, so I have to travel abroad. But came back, I ran into your cousin, Precious. She brought me to this place.
I'm happy for today. I don't think this is the time for us to apportion blames to anybody. Remember what I always told you, that one will always be. So cheer up, smile.
Here is he, your son.
So you're my father, Abby?
Yes, I'm big now.
You're very big.
Yes.
Look at you. Yeah, very big. Is this your car?
This is my car.
Okay.
At this point in time, please, I don't think we have to wait any more time. We have to leave. Go and get your stuff.
Daddy, I want you to take me, as we are going, you take me to Obodo.
I will take you
in
everywhere.
America.
I will take you everywhere.
And America in USA.
No problem. We'll go there
USA,
together.
inside Abuja.
Go and get your stuff. You're not spending any more nights there. Let's go.
Abuja, inside Lagos.
No problem. We'll go.
Yes.
Anuka,